Hey everybody, it's Tuesday, December 17th around 6:55 a.m. Wanted to do a trade update video. Basically, we've just got two trades left open. Yesterday, IBM made such a huge move. I've never seen it make a move like that. It went up $5. And so what we did, we just reduced the number of shorts. And you can see now it gives us a positive delta of 55. And that's good. You know, if it goes up, that's fine. The long, I mean, the long call, we have 10 of those, so it's that will obviously increase, and because of that, we have a positive delta. Then the other open trade is LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn, we've already, on my size, of course, we've already cashed in 2100 and you have an open of 230. So even if we were to cash it in today, that would be about 2300 on LinkedIn, which is pretty good. But LinkedIn is somewhat in the middle of our condor. You know, we've got our short at 210 and the short put, that is, and the short call at 260, and this is at 228. So slightly skewed towards the downside. But I think given the general sentiment, which seems to be bullish in the markets, LinkedIn should be okay. It's been, obviously the midpoint would be around 235. So, and for this trade, obviously there's some more time. In fact, even for both trades. So what I would recommend, because I am out from this Friday onwards, so what I would recommend is if anybody wanted to continue these two trades over the holidays, what I would recommend is this. You can see that this is the December 4. Now, obviously, if IBM crosses in the next 10 days, if it tries to cross 180, this short call will be at a loss. However, this long call will be profitable. So at some point, so here I think we are net up about $100 or so. And at some point, if it goes up like 3-4 points, we should be able to pick up a little bit more to recover this loss. So you could close it, or you could even close the short call itself, get some time decay this week. It's close to 178 already, and yesterday being such a powerful move, I think over the next few days it might stall a little bit. So that's just a general feeling. Of course, we don't know, but you could approach it in that, from that angle. LinkedIn is something you can continue for a little bit. Let's go take a look at the risk profile for LinkedIn, and if we let me take off some of the stuff. And if we look at the risk profile, what we have on LinkedIn, it's slightly skewed towards the downside. So perhaps what you can do is, if you wanted to continue with this trade, you would need to set some kind of a conditional order, or if you're watching the markets, that's fine. You'll need to either buy some puts at if LinkedIn goes below 225, say 223 or so, or you could move this put spread over from 210 over to 200. So and if you're going to do that, it's better to do it earlier rather than later, because earlier, at least now, if you can see the LinkedIn position, like if you were to do it now, move it over to 200, you would only take a loss of 220, somewhere maybe 200, $300. So, it's better to do it now. So maybe what we can do, I'll issue an alert on this one today. I think it makes sense to move it down so that it's safer. By the end of this week, I will be closing these two positions, but whoever wants to continue, you can continue along these lines. LinkedIn at 200, 190 should be pretty safe, I believe. But if you do continue with these positions, it'll be up to you to see when you need to adjust it or when you need to close it. So that's it for today. This is the trade update video, and I wish everyone a very happy holiday season, and I look forward to seeing you again on January 2nd, and we'll get started again in 2014 with a bang. All right, speak to you soon. Bye-bye.